Hello everyone, this is Mamta Moon and today we learn question number 7 of exercise 9a of class 6. Chapter name is Basic Geometric Figures of class 6 of New Learning Composite textbook. Before class we have learned question number 1 to 6 and now today question number 7, 8, 9, 10 will solve. Question number 7 is using the given figure answer the following. This is the figure given. And this point is this point, this is A, this is B, C, D, E, F, G and H. This is the cube given and we have to find the how many points are marked in this figure. Here this is the point A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. These are the 8 points in this figure. How many line segments are shown? Line segments are AB, AB, BC, I think this figure is drawn the wrong. Wait 1 second. This is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. This one is E, F, G, and this is H. This is the figure given and we have to find out the how many points are marked in this figure. A, B, C, D. These are 4 points. Then E, F, G, H. These are the points. That is the vertex, vertices, points, points or vertex, vertices. A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. These are the points. Then find out how many line segments are shown. Name them. Line segments are A, बी बी सी डी ए डी. In this figure, A, B, C and D. In this plane, A, B, C, B, C, C, D and A, D. These are the line segments. And in E, F, यहाँ पे E, F, G, H में E, F, F, G, G, H and H, E. ये सब लाइन सेगमेंट्स है. These are the line segments. This is question number second B. Then name the plane. Plane are A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. ये एक प्लेन है. A, B, C, D. देन ये भी एक प्लेन होगा. B, C, F, G. B, C, F, G. B, C, F, G. B, C, G, F. B, C, G, F. B, C, G, F. Then E, F, G, H. E, F, G, H. ये भी एक प्लेन होगा. These are the plane. Question number C. Third bit. E, F, G, H. Then A, D, H, E. A, D, H, E. These are the planes. Then find out which lines are parallel to AB. AB. This line parallel to which line? CD. AB and CD are parallel lines. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Which lines are parallel to AB? AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD. Which line segments intersect at a point A and the point F? A और F पॉइंट में कौन सा लाइन सेगमेंट इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है? A और F में. A और F. A and F, there is no line segment intersecting here. There is no line segment. A और F पॉइंट में कोई there is no line segment intersecting between the points A and F. A और F में कोई भी लाइन इंटरसेक्ट नहीं कर रहा है. तो This is the false. This is no. There is no line segments intersecting the points A and F. A and F. Which lines intersect BC? BC. BC में कौन सा लाइन सेगमेंट इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है? There is no line segment intersecting BC. BC में BC में CD. CD line segment intersecting BC. Intersect BC. Then question number 8. Question number 8. Identify the pairs of parallel line segments in each of the figures given below. PQR LM. PQR L and M. This is the figure given, and find out the parallel line segment in each of the figure. Here parallel lines are LM parallel to QR. LM line segments parallel to QR. This is parallel lines. And in B, this is B figure. This is the trapezium. This is one trapezium. And here, this one is here. Okay. This is A, E, D, A, B. A, B, C, D, E and F. Here parallel line segments are A, B and CD. AB parallel lines, AB line segments parallel to CD. And A, AD, CD. A, D parallel to BC. And ED, EB parallel to DF. These three pairs are the parallel lines. Then C. This is an hexagon. A, B. मैं लाइन थोड़ा ठीक से ड्रॉ नहीं हो रहा है, ये मैं वो टेबलेट में कर रही हूँ, इसलिए हो जाएगा. A, B, C, D. This is C, D, E and F. This is an hexagon having 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. Parallel lines are AB and DE. A, B parallel to DE. AB and DE are parallel lines. Now question number 9. Classify the following as vertical, horizontal or oblique lines. The bottom edge of a door. डोर का बटम कौन सा ओब्लिक है कि हॉरिजॉन्टल है कि वर्टिकल से? बटम ऑफ द डोर. बटम ऑफ द डोर इज हॉरिजॉन्टल. horizontal line bottom of door. डोर का बॉटम जो एजेस देखोगे उसको हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन में ही है, दैट इज हॉरिजॉन्टल. देन बी में a soldier standing in the attention position, standing line, that is vertical. Soldier standing in the vertical position, so soldier standing in the attention position is the vertical line, vertical lines. Then C, the handrail of a staircase, that is horizontal. staircase का horizontal. Then a ladder leaning against a wall, wall में होगा तो that is oblique line. oblique line मतलब ऐसे होता है. horizontal this one, vertical this one. ये vertical, this is horizontal, ये horizontal है, horizontal lines, this is vertical line, and this one oblique. The bleached edge of a door, that is oblique. A staircase का ladder leaning against a wall, leaning against a wall, that is horizontal होगा. This is horizontal. horizontal. Then F में horizon at C, C का horizon at C, that is horizon at C, oblique. Now question number 10. Question number 10 दिया गया है based on the adjoining figure name the following. यहाँ पे एक फिगर दिया गया है, that is also a cube. This is A B, ये A है, this one B, this one C, this one D. Then E F G H, ये ऊपर E, then F, this one is G and H. Based on the adjoining figure, name the following. All horizontal lines. Horizontal lines are AB, CD, EF and GH. Horizontal lines are AB, CD, EF and GH. GH or HG. These are the horizontal lines. Then B में है all vertical lines. Vertical lines are AD, BC, EH. EH and EG. FH, F. This is FH, EG. AD, BC, FH and EG. These are the vertical lines. Okay. Then the handrail of third one C. C is all vertical planes. Vertical planes are vertical planes ABCD, EF, EF, AB, AB, EF, CG, HD, CD, HG and क्या हुआ vertical planes CGBE, CGBE, AH, AF, AF, HD. Vertical planes or vertical planes are CBEG, CB, CGBE. This is vertical, and AH, AF, HD. This is vertical. These two are vertical planes. Vertical planes and horizontal plane होगा. Horizontal plane होगा AD, ABCD होगा. ABCD horizontal. ABCD भी vertical planes होगा. Vertical. This is vertical and EF, AB. EF, AB. EF, AB horizontal होगा. ये horizontal होगा. EF, GH. यहाँ पे horizontal plane होगा AB, EF horizontal plane. horizontal and CGHD. CGHD ये horizontal plane है, ये दोनों horizontal. All lines perpendicular to line DC perpendicular to DC में AD होगा और BC होगा. Lines perpendicular to the line. This is the symbol. ये symbol दे दी मैं. Perpendicular means perpendicular. Lines perpendicular to line DC. DC is AD and BC. Okay. Now question number 10 done. 10 completed. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Next question, next video में question measurement of line segment, measuring line segment, measuring the angles, how to measure angles, how to measure line segments, उसको डिस्कशन करेंगे. कैसे एंगल मेजर करते हैं और लाइन सेगमेंट कैसे मेजर होता है उसका एक्सरसाइज हम करेंगे. ओके. अगर कुछ कमेंट कुछ क्वेश्चन का डाउट है तो कुछ क्वेश्चन में किसी भी क्वेश्चन में डाउट है तो क्वेश्चन कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करना. Okay, please keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Thanks for watching and keep learning, keep watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and please visit my blog mathsgrade.com. Thank you.